point, it clearly seems to be the possibility that there will be new suitors sought for Amtek Auto. Remember, Amtek Auto is one of the companies listed in the first list of defaulters issued by the Reserve Bank of India. In fact, it has a huge exposure to banks' balance sheet, and this is one account that was referred to the NCLT for resolution process. Liberty House had emerged as the highest bidder at that point with a bid of about 4,300 crore rupees. However, at this stage, we are given to understand that the resolution plan submitted by Liberty House was not followed. In fact, they still did not make any of the payments outlined in the resolution plan to banks. And this, of course, did not go down well with the Committee of Creditors, that has actually now sought legal reference from the NCLT to guide them on the way forward. This is one crucial step because remember, the IBC process was hinging on big resolutions of these big ticket accounts, but as it emerges, as of date, only 3 accounts have actually been fully resolved. That is Electro Steel, Bhushan Steel and Monnet Ispat. The other companies are at various stages of completion and have crossed the 180-day deadline that was initially set for resolution. And this has come as a huge worry for banks. At this point, of course, more bankers are looking to bring in more applicants to ensure that at least Amtek Auto will not see the fate of many other companies that had to go in for liquidation.